Okay, boys and girls, so we've had some questions on how we turn off notifications in order for us to actually be able to get away from seeing all these chat notifications popping up. So Ms. Espinoza already took hers off, but normally you would see all of these chats coming in with bunch of notifications and some purple bars over here on the right hand side. So Ms. Espinoza is going to show you how to actually fix that. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to click on your picture up at the top of the screen. So I'm going to click my picture up at the top, and it should pop up a screen with our settings. So as you can see here, oops, mine is lagging a little bit. Sorry about that. So once it pops up, I'm going to click settings. And then I have to give it a second, but our screen should pop up in just a second. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll over here on the left-hand side. I have notifications. So I'm going to click that, and as it goes on, I'm going to see all of these settings over here. What I want to click is into messages. So as you can see here, Ms. Espinoza has it set only in feed. So whenever people respond to chat messages, I have that turned off because I don't need notifications that someone's chatting. If I have it set for replies to conversations and so forth, you can change it to only show in feed so that it's not notifying you of every single post that happens on a channel. So it's that simple, folks. As long as you change these settings to match what I have right here showing on the screen, you should be good to go, and you should not have any more notifications with all the chat boxes and those purple box notifications. All right, please let us know if you have any other questions, or if you don't see or cannot find these settings, and we will gladly help you out. All righty.